In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the solution for no sound in Windows. So for it, first of all, you need to go to your Windows search option. Then you need to search for control panel. Just search for this control panel. Here you can see. Click on this. Then it will open something like this. And here you can see view by category. So we are going to select here. Then click on large icon. And over here, we need to find the sound option. Here you can see sound. So we'll click on sound. And it will open something like this. Here you can see speakers, this on. So just right click here, then click here disable. There you go, it is disabled. Then again right click here, then click on enable. Then right click here and click on over this. Then here you can see level, it must be 100 like this. You can see advanced mode, and here you can see the test option. Click on test. And here you can see a sound. So you can check those and click on OK, and make sure that you set this as default. Here you can see set default, this on, set default, then click on OK, and your problem will be solved.